In this video, I'll show you how to sign out of Hulu on Roku. Step 1 is to open the Hulu app. On your Roku device, press the home button and select the Hulu app to open it. Step 2, access profile menu. Within Hulu, navigate to the profile icon at the top left and select it. Step 3, scroll to logout. Use the arrow keys to scroll down the profile menu until you see the logout option. Step 4, confirm logout. Select log out and confirm the action when prompted. You will be logged out and taken to the Hulu sign-in page. Step 5, return to the Roku home. Press the home button on the Roku remote to return to the Roku home screen. Now I have some tips and notes for you. Logging out only disconnects your account from the Hulu app on this specific Roku device. To fully cancel the Hulu subscription if you want to, manage it via the Hulu's website or billing provider. If you want to switch to a different Hulu account, sign out first, then log in with new credentials. And that is how you sign out of your Hulu account on Roku. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe.